Good morning, Western Washington, and happy Wednesday. I'm Matthew Fab with Western Washington Weather, and today we're going to take a look at the forecast for today with the frontal system moving in, and the forecast for Halloween and the days after that. So we're starting here with the radar, and you can see the cold front is already offshore here. Take a look at those cold frontal segments there that are showing up pretty big on radar there with the red off the coast. Those are going to be moving in today with steady rain through this evening, and then a lot of showers over the next 2 days, including on Halloween. It should be pretty wet out there at times for the trick-or-treaters. We'll take a look at that here right now. So let's play out the simulated radar here. So we're starting at 8 a.m. You can see the front moves into the coast there around 10, and then that area of rain just moves through the lowlands from about, you should start getting some rain in the lowlands about 11, and that continues all the way through about 5 o'clock. And then you can see all these showers and potential thunderstorms on the coast starting to move in. Low chance we get a rumble of thunder inland, but that is most likely along the Oregon and Washington coasts. And then you can see showers moving in through tonight, and then as the low, which is going to move into Oregon, starts to rotate back up, you can get some of this wraparound moisture, and that's going to bring a lot more showers through the area on Halloween, especially in the evening. So this is 5 p.m. As we go to 6, 7, 8, there you can see as we even get to 9 o'clock, more heavy showers moving through the entire metro. So it's likely going to be pretty wet out there for the trick-or-treaters. And you can see those showers continue through Friday and then just keep going. You can see even more rain that's going to be moving up on Friday during the day. Let's compare this to the NAM model. Looking at the same thing, you can see it has the cold front making landfall about 10 a.m. Rain starts in the lowlands around 11, continues through about 4. And then you can see all the showers start moving in this early Thursday morning there. And you can see by the time we get to about midday on Thursday, those showers start moving north. And then starting here at 5, you can see 6, 7, 8, and a lot of rain for trick-or-treating there. By 9, it gets a little bit heavier. And that continues all the way through the night. And then you can see showers continue here on the NAM model into Friday, with even more rain starting to move north by Friday midday. So we'll take a look at that again tomorrow and just see just how much rain we're going to get. Taking a look at total rainfall, you can see as we go through today, we're going to go to about midnight here. You can see about a quarter inch for most of the lowlands. This cold front is pretty quick moving, except the coast could get up to a half inch to maybe an inch. But then as these showers start to rotate through over the next couple of days here, you can see these rain totals stack up pretty quickly on the coast and in the lowlands, especially from Everett southward, though we will get some good rain north of Everett as well. And we're going to end this forecast here at 11 p.m. on Friday. So this is total rain through Friday night, and you can see a broad rain shadow from Victoria, BC down toward Everett. Areas in there get about a half inch to 3/4 of an inch. Areas outside of that rain shadow, New Bellingham, get an inch. And then from Everett southward, you can see locations like Seattle, Tacoma, and Olympia get 1 to 1.5 inches. From Chehalis southward through Portland, expect up to 2 inches, and similar amounts there on the coast. Now, something else that's going to be going on is this system is going to be quite cold, and we're going to be getting a lot of snow in the mountains with this. So you can see today the passes get about an inch to 2 inches, maybe an inch towards Snoqualmie Pass, and then you can see up to 2 inches there by late tonight and early tomorrow. As these showers start to move in, that snow total will increase. As we go through Friday, you can see the secondary low that's going to move in, which we'll talk about in just a second here, will bring a little bit more snow to the mountains, and you can see the totals by Friday night are looking to be about 10 to 12 inches for most of the passes, except up to 15 or so at White Pass. You can see potentially up to 13 inches of snow at Snoqualmie and Stevens Passes. We're going to watch this closely over the next few days so we can get the actual pinpointed amounts here, as we are still a little bit farther out in this forecast. So stay tuned for more information on potential snow. And just want to mention this real quick with the front today. It is going to be breezy out there. Most of the lowlands likely 25 to 35 miles an hour. Whidbey Island, San Juan's likely 40 to 50 miles an hour, and the same on the coast. And then notice areas from Olympia southward through Portland. With the way that this storm is coming in, those areas from Olympia south through Portland will likely gust 30 to 40 miles an hour today. So be prepared for that in some of those areas. That could cause a few areas of tree damage and maybe some isolated power outages if the wind gets 40 plus. And now let's take a look at the overall pattern. So there's a low moving into Vancouver Island. That's bringing the frontal system today. You can see that move through the area with some snow in the mountains and moderate rain in the lowlands. And you can see those showers continuing through Thursday. And then this second low that's moving toward the Washington coast is going to spread rain up across the lowlands here on Friday. And you can see how that mountain snow increases significantly as well on Friday, with heavy rain moving into Oregon, showers moving into Washington, and lots of mountain snow. And then those showers linger on Saturday there with more rain and mountain snow, and then another low moves into Vancouver Island late Saturday, and you can see more showers, mountain snow for the area. And then as we go into next week, you can see a big low moves into Haida Gwaii there, north of Vancouver Island, and it brings a whole lot more rain to the area on Monday, and potentially gives us, but does, with it moving quickly, gives us a chance to likely dry out on Election Day. So stay tuned for more information on that as we talk about all of this in the next few days. Here is the temperature forecast here. You can see today highs are going to be pretty chilly in the low 50s. Tomorrow we get up into the mid 50s there, with mainly from Seattle northward, and then from Seattle south highs remain in the upper 40s to low 50s. A similar day on Friday, highs in the low 50s, and Saturday and Sunday. So we're really just staying in the low 50s there across the lowlands. And you can see the mountains are going to be quite chilly as well, only in the 30s. And then by Monday and Tuesday, we still remain in the low 50s. So you can see pretty steady temperatures over the next few days. I just wanted to show you guys this. I had a great time on Sunday at Cape Disappointment getting some really cool photos of the big waves that were crashing out there. You can check those out on my Blue Sky account. I'll put a link to that in the description below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and share these videos. And stay tuned over the next couple of days because we've got some active weather ahead. And I'll talk to you all tomorrow.